Hello, my name's Alexis and today we're doing this look right here, which is the January tutorial from the Too Faced Boss Lady Beauty Agenda palette. So this came out this last holiday season. So what I'm going to do is, if you got this either as a gift or if you bought it for yourself, every month I'm going to do the look that is featured for the month in the planner. So you can do the looks along with me if you would like. But that's what I'm going to do. That way I can at least use the palette once a month. So, of course, this is January, so we're doing the January look, which is drink champagne with pizza. Okay. Anyways, it's called Ladies Who Brunch, and it says, break the rules and have fun with your friends with a look so bubbly it'll make you feel rosé. Aha. Wine. Anyways, so we're doing the look that's in here, and this is how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did this and a little look at the palette, how well the palette does, then keep on watching. Okay, I already have my base done, my brows done, and my eyes primed, so we can just move on to the fun stuff. Step number 1, apply Snow Day from crease to brow. So I'm going to set my entire eye area basically with the shade Snow Day. So that's this shade up here, and I think you can tell it is more white than Marshmallow is. Marshmallow is more yellow, so use Snow Day. So I'm just gonna set my whole eye area with that and really focus it on this brow bone area, because that's gonna be my brow bone highlight. And if I have to, if I lose some of it with my blending and stuff, I'll just re-intensify it. But for now, just throw it in there. Okay, the next step says, press Unwrap Me onto the lid. No crease shade, no transition shade, nothing. I cannot, in all good makeup conscience, do that. So I'm going to take a transition shade first, like a crease shade. So I think I'm going to take this shade here called Love Actually, which is like a pinky, no, it's like dusty mauve, like a deep dusty mauve. Does that even make sense? I hope so. I'm going to put that in and above my crease. I need to pick up more. Just popping that in there because, like, really? You're just gonna put that on your lid? No, that's stupid. Like, you're dumb, Jared. I'm sure Jared didn't write that. Whoever was in charge of writing these. I understand, it's a guide. Like, you don't have to follow it step by step, but really? Like, you're not gonna put anything in there? Nothing. Now I'll take Unwrap Me, which is this really fun purple. And I'll put that on the lid. So I'm just going to push this onto the lid. Pretty pigmented. I thought maybe I would have to wet it, but I don't think I'm going to do that. And this is one of those shades where you should pick up a little bit at a time. No need to, like, go crazy and put all of this purple on there, and then you don't know what to do with it, and then it's just all over your face, so relax a little. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to blend the edges so it blends seamlessly into that Love Actually shade. Just like that. This shade is so pretty. I like hope it's picking up on camera. It's like a red-based purple, but it has like a shift to it. So when you like turn your head, it like, the purple of it, I think on the camera the red of it, but in real life the purple of it really catches the light. So it looks really cool. It's a really pretty shade. I really like that. Okay, so it doesn't really say anything about the lower lash line. And then in the picture, their model has their eyes closed. So I don't know what they want me to do there. But I like this purple shade so much that I think I'm just going to put it down there on my lower lash line. So I've picked that up on a pencil brush. I'm just going to run this all the way across. Make sure it's connected to the top. And then give it a little bit of a blend. Okay, this is step 3, but I think I'm on like step 5 by now. Create a wing line with black tie. I'm not going to create a wing, I'm just going to line really close to my lower lashes. To my lash line, I mean, on my top lashes. What just happened? I'm going to take black tie, which is the black, here, and I'm going to line my lash line really close. I forgot how to speak English for a second. So I'm just gonna line my lash line. I mean, if you wanted to do a wing, by all means, go right ahead. I just can't be bothered today. Or any day. So, plain line it is. And you could do this with like an actual eyeliner also if you wanted to. Like liquid liner, pencil liner. I think they just want you to use as much as you can from the palette. Which is why they're saying to do this. Can you hear my tummy rumbling? Wow. I'm a very hungry person. This is not the blackest black I've ever used, so it's just kind of like fading into the purple. I don't know, maybe it'll look blacker in contrast when I line my tight line. I'm gonna do this side now. I feel like that kind of took away from my look though, but I think it's just my eye shape because the black takes up all of my lid space. But I'm following it like it told me to, just without the wing part. And I added a transition color. Not following it very well, am I? Anyways, I'm gonna finish off the eyes because the next step skips to cheeks. And I'm not there yet, so I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes, and apply mascara. If you wanted to do lashes, I think some lashes that would look really nice with this look would be Yvette from House of Lashes and Sephora Collection. Yes, so I'm going to do that and just not the lashes, and then I'll be right back. So here are the eyes done. I like it. Kind of wish I hadn't done the black, but I like it still, so we're going to finish off the face and then move on to this last step. Contouring with my Kevyn Aqua Sculpting Powder. A lot going on the face here, so I definitely need a cheekbone. I'm going to bronze with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. The reason I'm not using the Chocolate Soleil that is in here, in the palette, it says down here, it says Chocolate Soleil. I think they're a liar. Every year for holiday, they put chocolate, not every year. Most years for holiday, Too Faced puts Chocolate Soleil in their holiday palettes, and every time it is not the same Chocolate Soleil. Too Faced, Jared, I don't know who you think you're pulling, but I know it's not the same. It doesn't feel the same as the actual Chocolate Soleil. It doesn't look the same as the actual Chocolate Soleil. The camera cut me off as I was ranting. The pigment's not the same. It's not the same Chocolate Soleil. And it doesn't tell me to use Chocolate Soleil in the instructions for this look, so I'm not going to use the one that's in there. I'm going to use my real Chocolate Soleil. If you want to put a bronzer in your palette, that's fine. But don't call it Chocolate Soleil if it's not the Chocolate Soleil. Okay, done ranting. So now we can move on to the final step, which is blush. And it says, blend Will You Marry Me to the apple of cheeks. So I will take Will You Marry Me, and I'm going to put on my cheeks. I probably picked up too much. Oh, nope, that's okay. And then I'm going to finish off the face with Moonstone from Becca. Down the nose. And pilot on my cupid's bow. Okay, this picture of the model, I'm saying model, it's a picture, it's a drawing. Anyways, face chart. She has like, it doesn't really look pink in my camera. She has like a soft pinky nude, peachy nude. I pulled out pink plaid for a MAC, so let's just put that on and see if I like it. If not, we'll change it. Whoop, almost lost the cat. Yeah, I think that looks fine. Perfect! Don't have to change the lip. Great. So then here is the finished January look from the Too Faced, what is this called? Boss Lady Beauty Agenda. Something like that. Maybe by the end of the year I'll know what the palette's called. Anyway, so this is the January look. I like it. It was really easy to do. Just that one crease step, man. That's all I wanted, was to include the crease step. But yeah, I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All the links to all my social media will be down in the description, so check me out there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!